Primeiro-Ministru halo vizita ofisial dahuluk para Sekretariadu ASEAN, hafoin Timor-Leste sem membru plenu.
Primeiro-Ministru Karalasan Agusmão acompanha o vice-primeiro-ministro Francisco Albodilai, no vice-ministra do Assunto ASEAN, quinta-ne, halo visita oficial para Sekretariadu ASEAN e Jakarta, Indonésia. Visita-ne no dar visita da Huluk, se ficou varonian, a Timor-Leste sem membro pleno da Organização Regional ASEAN e a fulan outubro a Tinane. E a discurso, o primeiro-ministro destaca esforço do povo Timor-Leste para adesão na ASEAN, no reafirma compromisso Timor-Leste para adesão, na BC contribui pilar ASEAN na nação política, segurança, economia, no social, cultural e a organização regional.
As a member of ASEAN, we have a responsibility to respect and adopt the core values of ASEAN. This includes peaceful cooperation, respect for sovereignty, unity in diversity, regional solidarity, collective responsibility for enhancing regional peace, good governance, and the principles of democracy, respect for fundamental freedoms, the promotion and protection of human rights, and ASEAN centrality. For Timor-Leste, these are not abstract ideals. They reflect our lived experience as a country of struggle, reconciliation, and nation building. And now, as a member of ASEAN, we have the responsibility to ensure these ideals and values are reflected in our laws, policies, and institutions. For ASEAN, we hope that our membership brings a new generation and a new story, reinforcing a shared sense of purpose and unity. Our history has taught us that no nation is too small to make a difference, to uphold dignity, justice, and the right to live in peace.
Se o governo hoje destaca a adesão da ASEAN, se acelera o desenvolvimento do projeto Tassimane no recurso mineiro Sira e Timor-Leste, se contribui para a economia nacional no regional. Secretário-Geral da ASEAN tem presença Karalasan Agusmão, se remete a relação regional, no simboliza Timor-Leste em compromisso e ASEAN, também Timor-Leste em adesão, remete visão na ASEAN, unido, pacífico, inclusivo, no resiliente.
Timor-Leste's admission to ASEAN marks a historic milestone and achievement for Southeast Asia. It represents the fulfillment of our regional vision and reaffirms the principles that bind us: peace, cooperation, and mutual respect. ASEAN membership opens substantial pathways for Timor-Leste to advance its national objectives, amplify its global presence, and cultivate deeper partnerships throughout the region. Membership also provides crucial strategic grounding, enabling Timor-Leste to secure its interests through an established network of diplomatic, political, and economic partnerships, and to engage with larger powers from a position of collective strength. This membership equally entails responsibilities and obligations, thus contributing to regional peace, stability, reinforcing ASEAN unity, solidarity, and centrality. As a foreign member state, Timor-Leste now participates directly in shaping the region's evolving strategic and development agenda. Its insight will bolster ASEAN's capacity to address emerging challenges, advance regional integration, and sustain a stable and inclusive regional architecture built on cooperation and mutual respect.
Cão Kim afirma, Xanana Guzmão, no dar figura na BBL promove paz, diálogo, estabilidade no desenvolvimento e a ASEAN Laran, tama Xanana no dar figura na B contribui para Timor-Leste no progresso institucional, diplomático, no socioeconômico, na B contribui para a coesão regional inovação no conectividade. E a visita ne Primeiro-Ministro no Secretariado ASEAN lança oficial a símbolo nacional Uma Adat e a Galeria Sede ASEAN no Kuda Aikameli e a Arredor Sede ASEAN ne Betau Sefi Governo Nianaran. Romaldo Neves, GMN.